The legal drama surrounding Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis has intensified as she faces a congressional subpoena from House Judiciary Chair Jim Jordan. The subpoena is part of an investigation into whether Willis's office misused federal funds, adding another layer of complexity to an already contentious case. Willis, who has been at the center of efforts to prosecute former President Donald Trump and his co-defendants, fired back at Republicans seeking information about her use of federal funds. In a statement, she defiantly stated, "Nothing you do will derail the efforts of my staff and I to bring election interference prosecution to trial so that a jury of Fulton County citizens can determine the guilt or innocence of the defendants." The trial has resumed with two key motions to be heard. The first motion is a motion to dismiss based on First Amendment grounds. Trump's lawyer, Steve Tsao, argues that the prosecution violates various aspects of the First Amendment, including freedom of association, petitioning the government, and freedom of speech. The motion challenges the inclusion of legal conclusions in the indictment that should be decided by a judge rather than a jury. The second motion, known as a Demurrer in Georgia, seeks to dismiss legal conclusions in the indictment. Mr. Schaefer, representing the Georgia GOP, argues that certain language in the indictment, such as fake electors and fraudulent, are legal conclusions that should be determined by a jury, not included in the indictment. During the trial, questions have been raised about Willis's conduct and the handling of the case. Some have criticized her for what they perceive as a lack of impartiality and professionalism. However, Willis defends her actions, stating that her focus remains on pursuing justice and holding those responsible for election interference accountable. The trial proceedings have also shed light on the challenges faced by Trump and his legal team. The stress and pressure of facing criminal charges and navigating multiple legal jurisdictions have taken a toll. Trump's legal representative, Ashley, highlighted the immense stress of being charged with a crime that could lead to imprisonment and the complexities of managing legal obligations in different states. Apart from the trial itself, Willis is facing scrutiny from multiple fronts. The House Judiciary Committee has threatened to hold her in contempt of Congress if she does not comply with the subpoena for documents related to federal fund usage. Additionally, the Georgia Senate is conducting its own investigation, raising the possibility of further accountability measures. The outcome of the trial and the surrounding investigations remains uncertain. However, it is clear that the legal battle is far from over, with potential ramifications for both Willis and Trump as they navigate the complex web of legal challenges and political scrutiny. The developments in this case will likely continue to draw national attention and could have significant implications for future legal proceedings and political dynamics in the region. As the trial progresses and new information emerges, stakeholders and observers will closely monitor the proceedings to understand the broader impact on legal and political landscapes. How do you think the outcome of the trial and the ongoing investigations will impact the political landscape in Fulton County and beyond? What are your thoughts on the legal strategies employed by both Fani Willis's defense team and Donald Trump's legal representatives? And how might these strategies shape the outcome of the trial? If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Register to Vote.